I wonder if you, whoa. I wonder if you people think that sounds like dynamite to you, because that's what it sounded like to me when I was hearing this rumbling from inside, and now I know there's a thunderstorm coming. But it's not showing up on radar as being almost right over my head, our head. So what the hell? And this is a severe thunderstorm, and there's not a severe thunderstorm being issued. I don't get it. I hope you can hear that, because I'm certainly hearing it shaking in the ground, for crying out loud. And I just saw a flash of lightning. Not a bolt, but lighting up the clouds. Holy cow. Look at this. Yeah, the atmosphere's saturated, all right. Oh, it's coming from over here. Wow. Okay, I'm not going past 2 minutes here. Holy cow. I'll wait till I hear another rumble and then I'll go inside. I'm at the end of my driveway here. Oh, there we go. Holy cow. I'm going inside. Bye-bye.